Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we use a thunderboard as a remote control, and we also got connect the thunderboard. Okay, this is a thunderboard. Okay, to terminal putty that we set up to see what's in the status. Okay, so let's try one. Okay, so just to let you know that we put a paper here. Okay, because you can't really see the difference. Okay, you can't really see the difference if we don't put a paper when we see the color temperature change or the brightness control change. Okay, so now we can do one of the mode. Okay, now you can see what, okay, the color temperature is changed to a warmer color, and you can see all the changes that is seen on the terminal. Okay, right. Okay, it's like now it's like 100%. Okay, okay, what we see here. Okay, right, it is the brightness control. Okay, now we see the color change. Okay, we can see a blue and a green. Okay, you can see the different values. Okay, that is used to set the color change. Right, see what's changing. Okay, so it's green and blue. Right. Okay, you can change to another mode. Okay, now off it.